Hello everybody, this is Reno with Armor Coating. This is my worldwide headquarters, also now incorporating Nick's Restoration. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I've done some small little live videos and stuff, but we've been really busy over the last 5 or 6 months, so I haven't really had a chance to make any YouTube videos. And I'm gonna give y'all an update on progress and some future things that we're about to work on and do some builds on. I'm gonna feature those builds on Facebook, and so y'all get our Facebook and YouTube mainly, so we can record all our progress and have it up there for everybody. But I want to just give you a quick rundown on the shop and what we've done over the past couple of months. So if some of you remember, this is my front door. When you come in here, there used to be a building here. Nick and all his sons, Rusty, Trey, Chris, and Taylor come in, and we tore out all this stuff. And I bought this paint booth back in probably summer, end of winter last year, spring, end of winter last year. And it was just sitting out there for months and months and months. And Nick and I came to an agreement on combining our businesses, and I had this awesome paint booth, and he's a really excellent painter, and I'm going to show you guys. And we still are working and trying to get everything in the right spot, but what we really want to do is get the equipment up and going, and then we'll worry about everything else. And this paint booth is really big. I think it's like 28 by 14, semi-downdraft. We went in and painted it. We still got a little painting stuff here to do, a little bit of trimming up. We need to go and seal the outside of the floors, and then we'll seal the inside and then put a coat on here. But we can paint it here right now. Actually, he done this motorcycle fairing right here in there the other day. He did this bumper. He did another bumper, but the guy already came and picked it up. Here's some of the rest of those bike parts. He did these in my my little booth, trading out powder coating and painting, all that good stuff. But this is a big step, and we've already got like anywhere from 8 to 11 cars in line. We don't have them all scheduled out, but we do have them scheduled out till about April. And we got a little cushion room in between cars, so that way if we make any mistakes, we can correct them. But as we get bigger, get Nick's sons trained up, we'll start moving a lot faster. And of course, I'm still over here powder coating, moving my oven all the way up against the wall. These are some of the powder coating projects that I got going on. And there's a few more at the sandblasters, and I got some more parts over there, a frame outside, doing a couple of guns and stuff like that. Right now, these are the ones I just did bronze on. I just picked this one up yesterday. I'm gonna be working on it next week. My booth's still going. Took off the doors so I can have a little more room. More powder coating stuff, and you know, I go in here and clean this up once a week or so, and it gets dirty in like a day. It's like kids, like having little kids here, but it's just me making all the mess. But talk about some of the projects. We got a few vehicles. I know Nick has got something coming in, a Ford Lightning, and we're gonna go through and paint it and make it look really, really awesome, all back to original. And then, you know, just a little stuff, you know, change out the brakes and stuff like that, and then he'll be putting that up for sale. It's a 2002 Ford Lightning red, and I think it's like about 80,000 miles on it. Then we'll be, me and Trey are right now in the process of looking for a Fox body, or, you know, like an SN95 Mustang with a 5.0 standard. And we're gonna come in and strip it down, and we're gonna make a drift car. So hopefully by midsummer, we'll be almost done with a drift build. We still haven't found the Mustang body, the one we want, because every time we contact them, people, they put a price up there, and either they don't return your information to even come and look at it, or they're like, well, no, that's not including the engine, that's not including the transmission. And I'm like, come on guys, put something very specific in your post. But we'll be documenting all this stuff on YouTube a little bit of Facebook pictures and stuff like that, but it will be documented, going through all the build. Boar's Nest Fabrication, Rusty Olson, which is Nick's oldest son. He's the fabricator engineer. He's going to be in on some of these builds too. So it's going to be mainly us 3 businesses. We're all separate, but still all working together. And that's kind of what I've been wanting for years. A group of guys who know what they're doing in their own field, coming together as a team. So Nick's going to be working on stuff. I'm going to be working on stuff. Nick's going to be painting. I'm going to be powder coating. Trey's going to be working. He's going to be helping me and Nick and Rusty do all this future upcoming events. So be sure you stay looking for some stuff to come. Hopefully in the next month or so, we'll start some builds. And we'll go through all the process of powder coating, tearing everything down, the paint, the fabrication, and we'll roll it all into one. And this is going to be a new start of a new section of my YouTube channel. I got all the powder coating stuff on there and how to powder coat in your garage and stuff like that. But now we're venturing out to a little more stuff, and we're going to try to grow from there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure and go to Facebook if you haven't already. Like my post. We also have a powder coating discussion group called Powder Coating Kings. Go check out Nick's Restoration on Facebook, Boar's Nest Fabrication on Facebook, and we appreciate it. We're also going to be featuring some other businesses in the area that I already do stuff with in these upcoming builds, so be sure to give those guys a like and a comment on their Facebook page when we feature them. So you guys have a great day, and appreciate everything you do for us. Have a good one.